Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 2500 watt ultralight dual fuel inverter with CO Shield. This inverter can run on propane or gasoline straight out of the box. And weighing a little over 40 pounds, this is one of the lightest inverters in the industry, perfect for taking on small trips, camping, or using recreationally. The easy start dial takes the confusion out of starting an engine, giving you easy access to all the controls you need. And Champion's Smart Economy mode can provide quieter operation, extended engine life, and better fuel economy when running under a reduced electrical load. This inverter comes standard with two 120-volt household outlets and a 12-volt DC outlet. Or connect two units using a Champion Paralink parallel kit to provide 30 amps of power directly to your RV. And for added protection, this inverter utilizes CO Shield, an auto shutoff system that will shut down the engine before dangerous levels of carbon monoxide have a chance to accumulate in your operating area. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the inverter. Add oil to the inverter. Move the inverter outside. Add gasoline. Or connect your propane supply. Start the inverter and plug in your desired equipment. Champion's 2500 watt ultralight dual fuel inverter with CO Shield. Lightweight, dependable, portable power.